Hi, my name is Caesar. Hello, everybody. My name is Olivia.
And hello everybody, I am Mommy. Today,
Mommy.
today what we are drawing?
Today we're drawing a minion.
Minion. Do we have a pencil?
Yes.
Where is your pencil, Hazel?
I don't got the pencil.
Here it is. And you can take this one.
Where's mine? Where's the buggy?
Okay. So the first, we make a straight line
Mama, I don't
here.
got some space. Mama, I don't got some space either.
The first, we make a straight line with the side of the
Paper.
paper. Like this, Hazel? Like from here? I'll show you. From here. Can you draw it here? Yes. Okay. I'll hold it. Now do it again. Good job. Now take a
Mama, can you give me rubber back?
3 time
Mama, can you give me rubber?
the same parallel line. This is going to be the body of the minion.
Where's my pencil? Again, where's my pencil again?
Good job. Now from these two lines we need to join with the semicircle. The same from the
Mama, I can do it.
upper side. So the first, Hazel, you can do like this. So the first, make a line here. Make a line. Okay. Another line.
Like that?
Yes.
This way?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. And now join with the semicircle. Like this, with the curve, like this. And this side as well. Good job.
Make this rectangle.
Yes. Now, the eyes of the minion. From this side, we make a little line like this. Another line like this. This side also one like this. Another line like this. Yep. And then after the two beak, circle. Very good. And then little circle inside the, and then we join with this line. Then we color this thing.
I'm ready to get the paint, Mama.
Yes. Can we make a line, Hazel, like this? Yes. And then Okay, and the beak.
Happy face.
Happy face. Try it properly, Olu. And then from this line, approximately here, we make a curvy line. And then from here, make a 2 dot like this. And then a little square. Here, make a square here. Like from these two lines, make a square. Yeah, make a square like this, this, and then join it. Yeah, do it. And then from inside that one, make another square like this. Yeah, like this, make another square. Now from this one, from this point, join like this.
Minion.
Now we make a hand. So for the hand, below this line, we make like this here. Another line, little bit shorter. Here, you see, Mama. Not this one. Like this, little bit shorter. Then this thing. This one. And then like this, straight line. And then like this. Like this. And then from here.
To Mama, Papa.
And like this.
I
Nice,
like
good
a
job.
bag.
Yes, like this. Make a hand like this.
Mama, I want to.
You can make a hand from here like this, like this, and another one like this. Now make a
Mama, is that a hand?
close. Yes, make a cloud.
I can.
You can. Now, little hair like this. Make a little inner circle.
Again, little
Of this
circle.
In the glasses, because Minion has a glasses.
I make glasses.
Yes.
Masha got glasses.
Yes, Masi got a glasses. Now from the
I'm a
below,
minion.
like a Minion. Now make a shoes like this. One little line. The other one is bigger line. And then this side.
I make your shoes.
And then this one. The same, this line is little bit same like this one, the longer line, yes. Same like the adjacent line, same length, has to be same length. Yes. This one is
A big
the
one.
same length.
She got a big tummy. Yeah, got a big tummy.
Good job. Now let's
Color.
color it.